Oh, yeah, by the way,
Okay.
Basil, you can open up your Visual Code Studio as well. Yeah, just code along with us.
All right.
But I'm stuck at this lah. So basically today I'm doing a free code camp algorithm, right? So you guys can have an account there. I think you can get a cert eventually when you end everything, right? So finish everything. So basically I already done some before this. They have some kind of a lot of courses in here. You can see it's like front end, right? I think Basil taking front end, you can have a look on it as well. Some back end stuff, scientific. There's a lot of cert you can take. So what I did, I just do for this JavaScript thing. I already done for some basic thing lah. So today I'll be doing algorithm scripting. So hopefully I can do it lah. I think 90% chances I'm looking into the hint. Okay, so if anyone you guys know can help me along lah, you just like chat or unmute yourself, right? So okay, let's get started. So find the longest word in a string. Okay, return the length of the longest word in the provided sentence. Your response should be a number. How can we run a string? Okay, so return number, so return 6, the longest. Okay, jump, return 5. Okay, so I think return the longest. So from this input, we have to get to run each of these in an array, I think. Okay, put it in each of the array, check how many words in each of the word, right? How many alphabet, then we come up with a number. Okay, do you guys have any idea? Let me see. Put it in an array. Let words. Okay, cons words equal a empty string, maybe. Okay, so we make this word is an empty string when we enter. Is it? Should we put it in an array? I have zero idea. Start with. No worries, Basil. Okay. And should we put it as array? Return string dot length. How can we check? Junha got any idea?
Check for length of what?
Put it as a string, I believe.
Put it a string. I think check it as string. Check each of the word. The
Each
length.
of the word.
We
Maybe
should break each of the word into one single array or something. Then we run it. How can we check?
To return the length of the longest word, right? Can we do a for each loop?
For each loop, each of the okay.
So we scan through the whole thing. We store them as an array, and then do a for each loop.
For each, already for each like this. Is it?
Wait,
idea. Never mind. I search for each JavaScript for each method.
I haven't touched JavaScript for like 1 week plus. So
me, I think 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks. For each, try yourself first. I try. For
each is for array.
It's a function, so it's a dot for each.
Yeah.
It's only applicable for
array, for array.
Array or object. Array.
Yeah. So we have to convert the sentence.
Unless we have to change this into array or something.
Yes, I have to convert to an array first.
So let the input cons can like this one into array. Empty one. Did I?
Wait, let me Google search on as well.
Array. How to change an input to a array?
Yeah. Convert string.
Convert string into array.
And copy the code lah, put it into the
Yeah. Oh, quite long, this one. Quite complicated.
look into the chat. I put it in already.
Oh, okay. Oh, string less string. Okay. Split each of the letter into an item or array. String not split.
Yeah, so you want to split them by the colon. You copy this, put into your
Yeah.
Inside split, I think you need to have space between the
Space between, right?
yeah.
Yeah, you print it out, then you'll see, yeah, that one.
Less string.
In between. Correct. Yeah, space.
Okay. So dot new array. No need. We have to return it first. Okay.
Oh yeah, Junhao, if we don't put the split, right, then you return all the letters, right? Yeah, so the space is needed.
Space, right? Okay, I think so. Let me think. Split them. Have to check if each of them. So we have to run through each of them.
So we need a for each for the new.
Yeah, you will just split them. So now they are in.
Each of yeah, right.
Means the array will have.
For each, should I?
Yeah, for each. Then maybe you can print them out first to see what results we get.
But did you declare the new array? You just declare new array in.
Right.
Can
I?
Yeah, I think can.
So what is the type of new array? Is an array now?
Let is just like a var like that. It's,
yeah. It's same as cons.
It seems like cons, but then there's certain limitation one. It's like
It's within. It's not global. It's inside one. What they call local.
I mean the new array is it is an array already.
Oh, you mean is it an object or string, something like that? Is it?
Yeah, the new array.
Okay. Wait, how can I check this?
Because you just assign it to the string dot split.
Oh yeah, we need to have
string. Okay, I think it's
string. We need to define it.
str here. Right, correct.
No, I mean, do you need to declare the new array first? Later, you only assign it to the string dot split. I mean, do you need to declare let new array equal the two?
So maybe you can type out.
Like you just.
That means you remove the let, is it?
I mean, you just just declare it first. Do you need to do this?
Let new array equal.
Do you need to do this?
True. And when you try run it first, see what you get.
Wait.
I mean, I believe you better console.log the new array first.
Yes, we console.log the new array.
Okay, can. I don't know whether can run it here. No, console.log.
Junhao might be right on this one.
Array. Right. And I got come out. String.
Oh yeah, the string has nothing inside. Can we let that equals to something? Oh.
Okay, come out already.
Okay, so yeah. So you already got the new array. So you just for each of
each of the array can be okay. Have to check each of the word right?
Dot length, very simple one.
Yeah, that length. Okay, so no need to just now. Even no need to
declare anything. Yeah.
No need to declare anything.
Yeah, you just new array dot for each.
New array dot for each. Right. Oh wait, check again for each.
For each, I think you don't need to space it.
For each. They run for each usually at the top.
You don't need to space it.
What do you mean? Oh, okay.
Yeah, then
for each item dot length like this. For each item.
Wait, what do you mean? dot item.
Yeah,
Pass in an item
Bang.
or variable.
Okay.
I'm still brainstorming.
Wait, for each of the new array, for each of the
You
input, for each of the input we have to check, right, for each of the input.
No need input already, because new array dot for each you already got the you already pointing to the element inside.
Yeah. True.
You go through each of the content stuff.
Okay.
So for each,
For each, yeah.
I
For
think
each.
you need a simple comparator.
Yeah, means another variable.
You need two variables. One variable to store the current content, and then the moment the larger one comes in, update it to that variable instead.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
maybe
another cons, maybe let it be
concern like number.
okay.
Temp or largest
Number lah.
Cannot constant you have to put variable or that.
variable, correct. Yeah, variable. That one can, variable is
Let number lah.
Number equal 5 or 6 first, or 1 first. 1.
Okay. Let's
And
try.
then new array dot for each.
I think this one you need to pass in an argument, so element or something, is it?
Yeah, I think so. How can we check that for each?
Look at this one. So
I think you should create a function inside.
yeah, inside
I think need a function inside.
Yeah.
So that one. So there's a square root, something like that. Not square root, alamak.
Oh, a curly bracket.
Curly bracket, yes, correct. Curly bracket. Then the for each, the curly bracket outside.
You mean the curly bracket is outside?
Yeah. So the for each it has the parentheses, and curly brackets at the side.
Is it like this? Do you mean no?
Is it like this? No. Not like this. Not like this.
Yeah, you refer to that line instead. So
this one, right?
Yes.
You create a function. Oh, you mean have to create a function inside? Is it?
New array is correct.
Function, me?
No. Cannot.
Wait. I type for you. For each.
For each is already like this.
Yeah.
It's bracket inside is a function.
It's already for loop.
Yeah.
You just put the inside. You just put the function inside already.
Yeah.
I
type it in for you already in the chat.
Okay, for each. I mean, like I put this in, no? Am I right?
No need item. You just put
for
the
each item.
Need item.
Yes, because you need to refer to the element.
Yeah, like this, something like this, right?
Correct.
You have a function, this one.
Yes, correct. And then you see there's an item, index, array. So it's taking in 3 arguments. So
should I put in this?
No, cannot
one, right? Cannot one, right?
No, actually, you just put a function name inside enough already.
You should put the new array under the function. I mean, this is correct already. This is correct because you're all under this function, ma.
Yeah, we see inside.
Yes,
right.
So you put a curly bracket next to for each.
Okay. As you type in, right?
Yep. You can copy and paste that one actually, I think.
If just this now is enough already, and then your function will call elsewhere.
Yeah.
What else? I try returns. Did it run anything?
No, nothing. Because you're looping a new array, but you didn't do anything on it.
No, I didn't give any meaning to this for each thing.
Yeah. You type a function name inside the bracket.
You try to print out all the items first. Why don't we try to print out all the items first? So console.log.
You mean the string?
Item. String. For each loop you need to
new array.
New array is enough.
Print out new array. Wait, I think this one should.
No, I mean you have to comment out the line number 8 first.
Yeah. Just now like this got right?
Yeah. So you have all those elements inside new array.
Yeah,
so now if you run the for each, it will loop through each element.
Yeah.
So
True.
If you want to do something on the each element, we have to put a function. We have to put a function, copy a function inside.
Yes, true.
So if you want to put a copy function, you just insert the function inside the bracket is enough. Then you declare the function outside anyway. Elsewhere.
Yeah. I just function.
No need to. Okay now. Yeah, you want to do this.
Can this is the longest way lah, not the shortest way.
I believe you better extract out the function out. Extract function out.
Oh, okay, understand. I put it outside lah. What do you mean? Text length.
No, I mean.
And then you only put in the text length inside, right?
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Right, correct. Something like this, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And no space between the function name and the bracket.
Okay. And no shit. So for each for loop, right?
No need for loop already. No need for loop already because the for each is already itself for loop. For each you have to put the text length.
Okay.
New array.
You're right. I know. Yeah. But then inside here, what should I put? How can I check each of the length?
Before that, you have to put the index and element inside that line 10, the bracket.
Do you put no index and where? Here. The index.
Here. Index element and number. Index.
Something like this lah.
Item means element index same one.
Okay, item mean
I believe you follow the sequence. Item first.
Item.
Index.
Item index array.
Item index and number. We try number.
Yeah, because we put a number here, ma.
Yeah, you decomment the number, and then you try console.log the things inside. You mean console.log item. Wait
Each of the item is coming out.
Okay.
I try index
Index number only. Yeah.
Okay, yellow. And the number is it the length?
Number is 5.
Okay, number.
How come it's so long one number?
Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Got 9 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 words.
Hey, I know already. You don't need to put the number there.
Yeah.
I mean for the agreement. Yeah.
The first
this one, right?
No.
This one.
Yeah. This one. No need this
one. Yeah, we have to run through each of. Oh, okay.
Then
we
now,
have to check the index only, right?
Yeah.
The longest index,
Yeah. So
index
now
length,
you put the if statement, no?
Yeah,
if new array.
Like this, right? Wait.
If item dot length
reader
greater than number. Yeah.
Item dot length greater than number.
Yeah, number.
Yeah, number.
And then you
wait. Item dot length cannot be greater than number what? Right? The number is this number what?
Yeah, number 1 If the specific word length is greater than 1, then the number will be assigned to the number will be assigned with the value of the length of the word.
Okay, never mind. We try first.
You have to bracket all.
Yeah. A long time no type.
Then
we return something.
You wait first. Then you have to write
index.
Number equal item dot length.
Number. Is it here in the curly bracket?
Yeah. In the curly bracket.
Number equal
item dot length.
Equal 1 equal only.
Yes, 1 equal only. And then else. else.
Else.
No need else.
No need else. Only run one.
No need
only.
else. No need else.
Only
No
I'll
need else.
just return.
Then you just return number.
Number.
Yeah. Yeah, should be enough. Then you just consider a number.
Okay. I try here. So dot log number.
Yeah.
Whether it running or not. 6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6.
Yeah. Okay. Then yeah. So you can explain to them what is the logic behind this one.
Yeah. If return string dot length. No need. Return number. Return number will do.
Return number you do.
Wait. Okay. I try run the test first. Return number. Here have to return again. So dot log number, right, just now. Not new array.
Number.
Console dot
Because
log number.
Yeah. Oh, you just return number is enough already.
It wouldn't run for this.
Oh, so you
Have
you want this place, right?
Yeah. Console dot log try new array.
Number is enough. Because you want number, right? 6. You want number only, right?
It cannot. Wait, or else.
The index actually no need to use one, yeah. Line number 10.
Now, what? In line number 10?
The index argument, no need actually.
On the console return number already here. And return.
No, this one outside the function already. Cannot return anything. You just put a line 15. Console log.
Turn again.
Yeah.
Will it run? Okay, yeah, can. Yeah, if you return number here, can. Another return number. If let's say I remove this,
also can.
Can also, yeah, can.
So do you want to explain to them?
Okay. So basically what we did here is find the longest word, right? So we just have to split each of them into an empty array, right? So empty string. Then we just compare each of the item to the number. Then we just return the number. I think okay. Maybe we can try. Check.
Actually from actually
I see.
Actually, I mean, can go back to the from the line 18. Since we are getting a whole bunch of the string, if you want to check if words, we have to split the string into words by words. So in order to split the words, we have to use the split function, split method at the line 4 split, and then we have those types of those comma upper comma with a space, and that method will split the whole string into words, and then in order to loop through the words, we have to use the for if at the line 8. And then inside the for loop, we'll be calling a function to check the length of the words, one by one, and then we will return the longest length of the words.
Okay, nice.
Okay, great.
Basil?
Yeah, sorry. Can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
I haven't started anything on JavaScript, but I just want to ask. So basically, the process was firstly we got the sentence, the quick brown fox.
Yes, correct.
That one is one long sentence, right? And then firstly we split it like the is one stuff, and then quick is one stuff, like that. Is it?
Yes, correct.
And then we for each to go through to go through each and one of them, we use the for each function,
Yes.
is it?
Yes, correct.
And then you guys introduce the text length function to compare the number of letter in it.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Yeah, you pretty much get it.
Okay. So basically it compares like firstly dear and quick, and then quick with brown, like that, is it?
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
All right, that's all. Thank you.
The length is each of the length, the number in it. Yeah. Correct.
All right, thank you.
Okay, sure.
Wait,
So,
wait.
yeah, what?
We'll just try out one thing.
Yes, can.
The split, right? You try remove the spacing. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
It will
try.
come out with the whole string, I believe.
I
Cannot.
think it will come out all letters, right?
I try and
Console.log.
console.log here lah.
It will come out the #AT#E space, I believe.
One. Because it's
Yeah.
of the number. If change the number, two.
No,
three.
I mean, yeah, I mean you try console.log new array.
Console the new array instead. See what word do we get. I think it's letters, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, letters.
Mm.
But you have to comment out the line number 6 first.
Number is not
number.
I think you have to comment the whole function.
Yeah, the whole function now first. This also.
No, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Each of the word, each of the word.
Okay, very
So
interesting.
if like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
It's the letter and the words.
Yeah. Okay.
The difference between.
Nice. Very good.
And yeah.
So letter and words, we
Okay.
just change the spacing, huh? Okay, nice.
This one should be 1. Yeah. Okay. Let's check out some of their solution compared to ours one. Okay. So define the length. They split as well. They got spacing.
They're using a for loop.
Yeah, they're using a for loop.
For each.
Yeah. They're running each of it. Increase.
It's basically the same thing.
Yeah. It's running each of the length. It's greater. Yeah, the same thing, but then it's for each. Okay, next one. This is what?
Whoa.
Return s dot split. They got an empty space. Reduce function. Okay, check what they said.
Reduce mean
0 after the callback. It's used to give an initial value of the longest, so the math dot max will know where to start. Okay. They use a reduce syntax function. Longest word. Return math.max. Okay, try it out. What's the reduce method mean? Const array 1, 2, 3. Some value. Reduce.
Is comparing previous value vs current values.
Yeah, the previous and the current value.
And then what do you want to do with the previous and current value? You have to use a copy function inside.
Yeah. Okay, what else they have? Oh, this one even shorter.
What? Oh,
they split it and map it for they map for each of the word. Okay.
Map is also for each.
Yeah, for each. Yeah, correct. We provide map method length argument.
The 3.string.
Yeah, split inside the array.
You're creating a.
The dot is the whole thing. The dot is the whole thing.
Dot is whole thing.
We pass the argument map function to spread the operator. Yeah, it spread for the whole thing. Yeah.
Wow, this one
Even shorter.
Champion, this guy.
They get all the length, and then for each length they're using max.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Wow,
good.
seriously big brain in this one.
Yeah, this one is the longer bit. They split it as well. If the word length equal to 1, return the number 1 dot length. Return max word.
Okay, so a lot of them they actually use the max dot max.
Yeah, max dot max. Max dot max. Okay, the first line split. Okay. Mat.max.
Quite OP these functions.
Yeah. Mat.max function return the largest of the serial or more number given as an input parameter. Okay. Oh, mat.max 132, they output 3. Oh, the largest number.
More.
Oh, okay. I see.
We
So
don't even
instead of this number, they run it. Oh, okay. Do you guys get it?
So that means instead of writing like 3 lines like that, you just write 1 line, then counting already. Then you fit in an array, and then you output the largest straight away.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay. Wow, quite okay. This one, mat.max. So they check each of it. Okay. So just now coming out 6, right? So basically, yeah. Okay, next one. Okay. Return largest number in array. Return largest number in array. Let me close all this. Return an array considering largest number for each of the sub array function. Basically, provide sub largest number. What do you mean? Wait, remember you can iterate through with a simple follow for SSH for the number.
Yeah, remember just now we have top mat, those kind of thing.
What math? I mean the math thing.
Yeah, map.
Wait, largest for
return.
So return 27.
This is summation.
No. Oh, each of the array, the largest one. You see this 13, 27, 18, 26, they return 27. 4, 5, 1, 3, they return 5. 32, 35, 37, 39, they return 39. This one, the largest is 1001. Oh, they check each of the array inside the array. They return the highest one. Mat.max, can we try?
Yeah. Actually,
let's go.
How? Let me.
Actually, I got an idea.
Yeah, can. You say.
Wait, what's this one called again?
This one is called array, right?
Sorry,
inside array.
Wait, what do you say?
What's this one called again? This algorithm that we're trying to figure out. Largest of 4, right?
Yeah, largest. I mean, let's say this one have to return 5, 27, 39, and 1001 in an array.
Yeah, this one is array, and then inside array there is another array.
Yeah.
So we have to put array dot mat. Yeah, you try out ARR.
Array dot map.
Dot map.
Okay.
The bracket.
Equal bracket.
Bracket. Inside element. Right. Bracket.
Array dot map. Map each of them out, and then we try run them through.
Inside them, you also have. I mean, you continue inside bracket.
Oh, array dot map again.
Yeah. So now we are looping the each array inside the array.
Yeah, correct. And then
I don't think we can do that.
Don't know.
Array dot map.
Array.map, and then bracket, and then point, then the arrow function.
Why don't we split it out? Can we?
It means split each of the array out again. Oh.
Yeah. This one is array, but this one is string. So in order to split the array out, we have to let us check how to split the array.
How to split an array by JavaScript. Okay, split method as well.
Wait.
Split this array into an array substring or return the array. Okay, how are you doing today? My array tag.split. Okay.
But the one is to split a string, right? I don't think
Can we go back to the original one again?
You mean this or what?
Yeah, so this one is an array component. So what you need is you need to loop through each of them.
Yeah.
And then like element 0, element 1, element 2, element 3. And then we pull out the largest from element 1 compared to element 2. Yeah.
You need to compare. We use a mat.max.
Yeah, mat.max of each of the array and then come out with the largest one. For each of the inside the array, for each of it, right?
Yep. Can we actually go back to the previous code and then just copy the shortcuts?
No. Slice.
Oh, you want to compare them
you-
all in one go, right? Okay, yeah. Slice is good actually.
Try
Okay.
to make it in one line. Slice. You try just around. You just slice.
Yeah. I think
Slice is here. Slice is here. It's above it. Because slice tree.
Oh, you know what?
A part of string.
Mine array values 1.
Hello tech dot slice 0.
I want the array. No,
It's one called join, right? Does it work?
Yeah.
Join is to combine them.
Yeah, you were concate or something like that.
Complete, right? So
Slice is okay. I know it's the first is the number, and the second
No,
is
cannot
the
use
place
slice.
one. Not use slice.
Cannot use slice.
yeah, can we use concate instead? Concat.
Concat. Here it's joined together.
Yeah. No. Can we?
So we join all the 4 arrays into one, and then we scan through.
Cannot. He has to be each of the array the largest one. Let's say 4, 5, 1, 3 have to come out with 5. 13, 27, 18, 26 have to come out with 27.
I see.
Have to compare inside the array and then only come out with the number.
Okay. Actually, could you copy the one sent to the group chat?
This one, the whole thing.
Yeah. I want to put that in my code here also.
Can.
Nice. Okay.
Let me think. Array those splice. And then you have to splice them.
Just now it's array splice. Okay, slice. Not slice, split. Can they be split?
Splice. I think it's splice.
Splice.
Slice.
Slice. I think it's slice.
I try see what the result come out.
Well, I'm still looking out.
Splice, you want to extract only one thing, is it, at a particular part?
Yeah.
That's what we want to do, is it? Okay.
Let me think another way.
Splice. Text or splice. Let's see.
Because you have array, you array inside array.
Yeah. Array inside an array. How to
if you don't want to use the for each those
an array inside an array. What's this? Stack abuse.
Slice all.
They use slice and splice method for a for loop and a while loop.
We don't want to follow. You use the dot map. Why not you just you go back to the
which one?
To the page. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. You just ARR dot map, and then inside you just put
map again.
I don't think you can do that. No. It's no. You just put elements. Yes, element. I mean you don't want to put function there.
Okay.
No. You.
Oh, okay. You just remove this lah.
Yeah. Remove function element, and then you console dot element.
It's not returning.
Wait, dot map. Because dot map is also doing a for loop for each element. I mean, for each dot map is also for each. It's equivalent to for each
element. Did I put outside? No. Not either.
You cannot, because you haven't defined the element.
Hello.
In order to have a look on what the dot map is doing, we need to console log the dot map result of dot map.
See what's the result coming in.
Maybe you just you define elements.
Yeah. Define element.
You try define it. I also don't have use. You're not using a dot map.
Cons result lah equal to element lah. Not weird though.
But element is not defined.
Why do we use for each? For each to grab all the data? Because
I mean we want to use try another method. Another way. Use if
map, right? Map is if you want to fetch a particular item in an object, you know. So like let's say you have four things inside, and then one is like let's say contact number, HP number, contact number, email address, location.
Now we also using a dot map to get each sub array first.
No, the dot map. Oh,
we're going to get each sub array first.
I thought the dot map you need to get. Okay, never mind. You proceed first. That part I'm not very familiar with.
Go on first.
Because usually how I use map is I want to extract. Let's say I want location only from all 4 arrays. Then it will give me an output only for location. This one we want to grab all the elements. So.
Remember, you can iterate through an array with a simple loop and access each other member with a syntax array.
Because the most important thing is this type of method. The dot map those kind of the ES syntax. Yeah, so it's encouraged to use those kind of thing instead of doing the for loop those thing.
Okay. See, try map search.
Maybe you we put a function inside.
Okay.
And dot map. Okay, element. I think you can put elements. No. You want this function also can Then console element, you try. Oh, so you got a subarray.
They got they run each of it already. Then you should max each of the element. No?
Yeah, so element dot map again.
Inside here.
Yeah, element dot map. Then inside element dot map, you try another function. You want to max.
Is it a dot max? Wait,
yes. Correct.
Can try console log.
Element. Then you cannot. I don't think you can because you have to create another function inside the element dot map.
Oh, okay.
Another error function now.
Maybe
item.
Item lah. Wait. Console item.
You console first. Yeah.
Yep, correct.
Okay, it's running each of the item coming out.
Yeah, but I believe they are separated, right? They are separated one.
Yeah, they separated. Cannot. We map it again. We should get the math.max here, right?
Yeah.
Instead of running again another map. If you compare it in the array like just now.
Map.max. I believe you have to put the map.max before the element.max.
Yeah. Map.max. How should we use it?
Because it's returning the highest value of the element.
Map.max for this.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you just put map.max element?
Yeah.
Yeah, max.max elements, correct.
Max.max element.
What's the output supposed to be? Return an array of the largest one.
Cannot.
console log.
Inside.
No, I mean your console log, the whole mat.math.
Mat dot console dot the whole thing.
Yeah.
Not a number.
Because the element is an array itself.
Return array like. No.
What is the type?
Type of
result. What does it return actually?
In an array, should return something like this.
So return array. Okay. This is another difficulty. I thought it's to return the number, just number.
Because the thing is, I'm getting. I tried maxed out math, right? The output is giving me none also.
Okay, element is an array. Math of each of the element. No. Okay, math match of each of the element.
Now you see, the mental math it only accept the input type of
number.
Yeah, not an array. So we have to like extract the array, the number out of the array. So elements dot elements dot mat.
Element dot meta.
Yeah, you try. Map MAP map. MAP, yeah.
Oh, map.
And then the column, like creating another error function inside.
Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. You mean like this? No. I'll create another.
No, not like this. You have to inside the bucket.
Okay, wait.
Inside here.
No. Element.map is correct.
Okay.
Okay, guys. What you need is just now all correct already. If you want to you want to access an array, right? You need to put triple dots in front.
Here. Dot.
No. The element.map. You don't do element.map. Just do
element.
Element is enough. Yeah, triple dot.
Then it can already.
Can already. Then you console.log that one.
No, I mean you console the whole thing. The whole mat.math.
Okay.
Yeah, so let something is equals to can also.
No, I mean you have to put the console inside the map, array.map.
Array.map
line number 4, line number 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Console.log. Yeah.
Yep.
No. Yeah.
No.
Inside.
Put inside.
Nice. Yeah, I think we can save this as a variable later.
And then
yeah.
Can. Now you have to join them together.
Posit something, no? Result.
Join them together.
So we need to let it equal something.
Yeah, result.
Yeah, how to put them into
array?
No, I encourage you to make it into a single line of code. So let's continue at the line number 5.
Okay. So like this, no need to give any variable to it.
Yeah, now we are going to figure out the way how to join those number into an object, an array.
How to join
number into array?
Push.
JavaScript.
Push. No.
Point.
Join.
Number. New string by array. Not join.
How to
combine number
into an array.
Push. I think push is good.
Yeah, push. So we define an empty array first.
I don't think we need to define because we try to make into a single line. Circle only one.
Yeah. Element dot push lo, is it?
You try element dot push. No, I mean the element dot push, you have to put it outside, right? Where put it a number, line number.
Concat array print into string.
No, it's not concat. Now we are from number
Yeah,
to
there's a
array.
normal number array prototype.
Yep, I think I got it already. Yeah, you can use concat or you can use push. Wait,
Vector.
Concat.
At line number 5. Yeah, at line number 5. Dot. Continue after the bracket. Continue after the bracket.
Okay. You see?
Don't want to space. No space.
Okay.
Dot.
Dot.
And then what method do we use? There's no push, because if you use the push, the array will be affected. Dot push. No, you try dot push first. Dot push. Yeah. The two column.
What? Pardon?
This one. The column. The two bracket.
Within.
Push. Push bracket. Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Like this.
Just type in. Oh, dot push bracket. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And then you consider the whole thing from line number 2 to line number 5.
I consider area.
No, array, the whole thing. The consider log is wraps. Right, from line number 5 to line number 3 to line number 5.
Copy the whole thing.
Yeah, whole thing.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Is it okay?
It's doubling the thing. It's come out twice.
Maybe you try delete one of these first. And then you try delete the consider inside the line number 4. Yeah.
Wait, guys, the variable needs to be defined before the loop starts, yeah. Because previously we just get one output. This one we have 4 outputs, so we cannot constantly redefine the variable.
So const result something like.
Yes, the const result must be outside of the loop first. Then once it starts, then we pour all the results into that.
Yeah, then you have to consider result.
Yeah.
If you want to declare another.
You mean like this?
Yeah.
It's 4.
It's 4 only.
Yeah, because you're running it one time only. You need to.
How come it's 4? Why? Where's the 4 come from?
Maybe your push.
Undefined.
Okay.
Hey, something like okay.
Wait. Your constant result is correct. You let it equals to array first. So your line 3, okay, array.map, press enter.
Okay.
No. Array. Start from array.
No. I don't think it's the way. Because if you do, it's like too simple.
Too simple. I think we try go from the working one first. Then after that we try to see how we can beautify it. Okay, so this one is done. Then
you don't need to put those things.
Yeah, just
a simple square bracket.
Okay.
And then at line number 5 you have to assign it. Result equal.
No. Not there.
Not there.
Inside, because this thing will be looping, so line 6 is where you want to do it. So result.push.
Yeah.
Result.push.
Yeah, can.
Okay. It's running.
Yes.
Okay. Push it to the result. Okay, understand. Into this.
Yeah. Good push. Good.
27, 39. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think is correct. Hold on. Wait.
Cannot.
How come run test cannot? It's not returning as a.
Oh, I
Because
think so.
you are not returning. You are just console log.
Yeah. Oops.
Return
result.
result.
No. You are
return.
Yeah, typing result.
Sorry.
Okay, nice.
I mean the return result you have to inside the line number 9.
Oh. Did I console log again? Yeah, it's working.
Whoa, nice.
Nice. Max.max and each of the running array element, push it into here.
So Su Jingyong, the 3 dot means what already?
By default you can only do 1 by 1 but then if you do triple dot then you access all the elements inside the array.
Yeah, just now the solution showed, right?
Yeah. If you look back at the previous one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually,
okay.
Is they have?
You can check.
Do you guys understand?
I think I got like half of the picture.
Okay. Maybe you can say which part you understand, and we can help the rest of the part. Yeah.
Actually, you can do it out.
Sorry.
I mean, graphically expand.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe Basil can say which part you understand, and then I just fill in the blanks.
All right. So okay, firstly we got the array is sequence of number, right?
Yes, array is this bracket. Yeah, we call it array of numbers.
Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 array.
Yes,
so we're gonna extract the biggest number from all those 4 array.
Yes, correct.
And then what I understand is math.max is it extract the biggest number.
Yes, correct.
So because I'm not I haven't touched JavaScript yet.
Yeah,
so
no worries.
I cannot really understand the function.
You got the pretty much the part lah. So what you mentioned, they have 4 arrays, right? Yeah, so we have to extract like this one is 5, this one is 27, right? The largest number. So how this math.max work? And then for the ... pretty much is they assess each of everything inside the element, right? Element just running out. You can see. Hold on. Console.log element. Okay, wait.
If you want to consider, you have to put it inside the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see element is they separate each of the array, right? Okay, so we run it every element inside everything. So they can access everything inside the element.
The triple dot means they run all those 4 arrays, is it?
Yes, correct. Everything.
Okay.
So for the result, okay, hold on. So if the console.log result, you see they're not inside the everything. We need the last one only, right? Okay, so they put it push together. Push mean they push it together inside this empty array.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
the push means that the
join
actual supposedly the
putting.
answer should be like 5 and then under it is 6. Is it like that? And then they push together into one row.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
True. Yeah, that's how it goes.
Okay.
So maybe we can check on what how the solution they give. Right. Okay, this one.
Wrong.
Yeah, this one. Sorry?
Yeah, long.
Yeah, this one is a long one. So basically, they loop the first array, and then J is the array inside the array. Yeah, then they compare the result of the first one and the largest number. Yeah, the array inside array. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was my original thought.
Yeah, same. I thought going to do this,
Yeah, luckily we tried a bit more.
Yeah. So another one, array.map, as Junhao mentioned. function group, return group dot reduce.
But this one is also
we
mean they're comparing the previous value versus current value.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But this one is also longer than ours. Ours is shorter.
Yeah. It's
ours
how many line?
Ours are one line.
Supposed to be one line lah.
Yeah, one line. Excluding the declaration.
Yeah. And then the third one will be this one is one line.
Hey,
okay. This one is row one. Okay, let's see. Array dot map. Okay. Function dot apply dot bind math dot max, and then now. Okay, how did it?
Okay, what is this?
Callback function. Function dot bind method. It works just like math dot max has also function was like apply. Say the main array. Callback function find it max. Okay, the map if of the array have to a callback function to find if of the inner array.
So the function dot apply dot bind, it has the special ability to read through the array.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
It would be really nice and simple if it worked by itself. Okay. Okay, you just run this, they will auto return like 47 or 43.
Okay, this one is quite a new thing. Yeah.
Math dot max dot apply. Okay. Array dot math. Wow, this one is quite lengthy.
Surprising, like the shortest solution requires the lengthiest explanation.
Yeah, I just copy the link to you guys. You guys can go through it.
Can.
Without running it together.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, this one is short. Recursive approach. Okay.
Recursive. Wow.
Okay.
Wow, I never used this recursive before.
Oh, this one I also got question mark in my head right now. Okay.
One.
I don't understand this.
Yeah.
They concat everything in the final math dot everything array into array 0. The first one.
Wait. What does the first line mean? I mean final array minus the
if final array.
No.
Question mark is the if not me?
No, I mean the first line function.
This one or this in the array
Yeah, the argument.
Final array equal to empty. This our result lo. This our result lo.
I thought it's minus. Yeah, I thought it's minus.
Return not array dot length.
If it's not array dot length, what does it mean? Not array dot length. If it's not length, if it's not length.
Final array.
It is not length.
Final array equal to largest for array dot slice 1. Slice 1 at the position 1.
Largest of 4. Why is largest of 4?
Largest of 4 is their function name.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This slice at their first position.
Slice.
Why slice at their first position? And final array and then concat again. Okay, this one I know.
Concat array 0. Only getting the first element.
This one I also don't understand.
I think because it's recursive, right? So it's telling the
one.
The program to run from the first element, which is array 0, and then it recursive from there. So recursive means it will keep looping on and on.
Okay.
So
don't have any explanation for this.
Yeah. I think recursive is very powerful, but it takes a while to understand.
Yeah.
Like here, right, I can see there are 3 things I don't understand already. The second line, return, there's a
not
there's a what mark there, the exclamation mark.
Yeah,
I don't know why is it there. The second one has a question mark. So I
question
think
mark is the if else statement.
Yeah, question mark is if else statement.
Oh wow. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so question mark is the if, and then the thing is the else lah.
Yeah.
If is final mark, then else run this.
If it's true, then if you run the.
If final array still empty, then they will run through this thing.
Oh.
Don't know. I think so.
Okay. I see. Okay, this one definitely need to read
Yeah.
up on it.
Yeah. Nevermind, we can find it out
If
ourselves.
array
Do
dot
some
length
homework.
is
Yeah.
I believe the array dot length means is if the array is not empty, right?
I think so.
Means the final
so.
array.
If the array is false, then we'll go through with the final array.
Yeah. If something inside they will not running.
If the array dot length is true, it will run the recursive again.
Yeah.
Is it counting like how many whether it has checked through all the elements? So if all the elements haven't checked through yet, then it'll
I think array dot length is compared to the final array. If array dot length is equal, then they will not run because they got four array ma. There should be 4 number inside the final array. I think so lah.
Yes. So if array dot length is reached, means it's already reached the end of the array.
Same as the final array. Yeah.
So it will go with the final array.
Yeah, array dot length same as the final array lor inside. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This one quite advanced, not gonna lie.
Yeah. So else we will continue doing going for recursive function.
This one.
Would you guys code it like this? Put question marks and then like the
maybe when very pro, very pro lah.
Yeah.
my level still this
Yeah.
One my level.
For me, I feel if we do that, right, like not very nice for other like fellow programmers to understand.
Actually, it's very simple only. Is you really shortcut the if else statement.
Yeah.
It's shortcut, but what if like other
readable? The readability is reduced lah for like junior. This one is for like very top senior stuff lah.
Like for juniors, right, they read through, right, it will take them a while to see the thing, because like question marks and
like as if you are reading the ancient Chinese language, those kind of thing. One single paragraph can maybe have the meaning of 1 full pages or 1 book like this.
Yeah, I'll stop presenting now. I think it's 10 and stop recording. It's already 10.